It's been ages since I went out. I was always wondering if it is safe to go out. With a lot of courage, I finally decided to step out for a dinner. And now I'm going to the nearby Paradise Biryani. Are the most important thing? You will get 20% discount coupon on the link below for all the TGF subscribers. More information on the discount you will see later. For now, let's step in. Paradise Biryani serves authentic Hyderabadi biryani since 1953, and Paradise has grown into one of the most admired restaurant chains in the country today. This biryani is so famous that people visiting Hyderabad consider the trip to be incomplete if they have not had the Paradise Biryani.
Namaste ma'am, welcome to Paradise.
चलिए मैं आप सबको अब रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर मिस्टर विनोद से मिलवाती हूँ जो आप सबको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस दे आर टेकिंग इन दिस डिफिकल्ट टाइम.
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ. ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೆನು ಇದೆ. ಮೆನುನ ನಾವು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಕೈಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೆನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ನೋಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Till now my experience have been safe and amazing. Let's go to order some food now. Okay, as I see Paradise has introduced this new contactless dining. Let's see what it is. So the first it says contactless menu. So I'll get the menu only by scanning the QR code. Wow, it's amazing. Let me try that. Entire menu is on my phone. Apart from this, I can pay contactless and I can also give feedback. It's amazing. I have to try now. By the way, because I've stepped out of my house after so long, I'm gonna have everything starting from the starter, main course and the dessert. Let me go and order something special for myself now. So I'm very hungry. I'm gonna have at least 2 starters and it looks so yummy. So let me try Chettinadu Murg Kebab, and I'm also going to have my favorite chicken kalmi kebab. For the main course, I'm gonna have their authentic royal chicken biryani. Let me add that too. So it's done. Now I just have to wait for my order to come to my table. Khushbu is very nice. Oh, thank you.
Chettinadu Murg Kebab.
Thank you. मुझसे तो रहा नहीं जा रहा है. I'm just gonna take a bite now. इतने समय बाद इतना यमी चेट्टीनाडु कबाब. वाओ. I guess I'm gonna finish that in one bite now. Let me try with the chutney now. I guess your chutney is mint chutney with the curd. Oh, it is damn good, huh? इससे टेस्ट तो और भी मज़ा आ रहा है. Damn yummy. You guys should try it. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. बहुत स्पाइसी भी है. It's like a perfect spice. So if you are a spice lover, ये कबाब बिल्कुल ट्राई करना. And with the mint chutney. Damn good यार. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे ज़िंदगी में कभी मैंने कबाब नहीं खाया है. It is so amazing. It's so good. This is the yummiest kalmi kebab I had in such a long time. It is perfectly marinated और इतना अच्छे से कुक हुआ है. It is so tender. It's just melting in my mouth. Like each bite, I can feel the taste. I guess one of the best kalmi kebab I had in a very, very long time. What very long time? After a very, very long time. कलमी कबाब का मज़ा और ज़्यादा आ रहा है चटनी के साथ. At the heart of world's favorite बिरयानी. वाओ, बिरयानी में भी साइंस है. सबसे ऊपर होता है इनका फाइनेस्ट सैफरन राइस, उसके बाद आता है एग्जॉटिक मसाला राइस और उसके बाद होता है योर हेवनली मटन एट द बॉटम. देखने में इतना डिलीशियस है तो खाने में कितना होगा. Now the biryani is here. Oh my god, aroma इतना अच्छा है कि I just want to dig into it now. Let's eat. Nah. Oh my god, it's like heaven. Heaven in the biryani. Paradise biryani. I can feel single rice piece also in my mouth. ये इतना tasty है. Let me try with the curd.
Mention about basmati rice.
This basmati rice is yummy. और रायते के साथ तो और भी मज़ा आ रहा है. Now I know why they call it as world's favorite biryani. बिरयानी मसाला is damn good. In fact उसका चिकन भी it's very tender and soft. इतने दिनों बाद इतनी अच्छी बिरयानी. Oh my god. It's melting in my mouth. You all should come and try Paradise Biryani. After this yummy spicy biryani, अब मुझे मीठा खाना है. I need to have something for my sweet tooth. चाहे जितना पेट मेरा भरा हो, I always have space for the sweet. So let's order something sweet now. It's time to dig in yummy, yummy gulab jamun. It's so delicious and it's so amazing, so sweet. Definitely a satisfaction for my sweet tooth. इतना बढ़िया खाने के बाद मीठा जन्नत. And it's nice and warm. It's sweet. और मुझे वो कार्डमम का हल्का हल्का सा टेस्ट भी आ रहा है. Damn yummy guys. Completes my contactless dining experience. Wow, क्या मज़ा आया. I'm so happy कि मैंने decide किया I'll come to Paradise Biryani. The food was so yummy and amazing and all of you should come. And yes, about your coupon code. You can avail 20% discount coupon by clicking in the link in the description below. वो link को click करते ही you just have to enter your full name, your email address and your phone number. और वो coupon code आपके email address पे आ जाएगा. Now how to use this coupon code? When you go to Paradise Biryani, जो QR code को आप scan करके when you're ordering your food, after that enter the coupon code and you can avail your 20% discount. Isn't that great? So do go ahead and do subscribe for the guiding factor to avail your discount. Paradise Biryani में बिरयानी खाना मत भूलना. It is damn yummy. You remember that guys, right? So take precautions, stay safe, but do not stop living. See ya!
Do not forget to subscribe to TGF and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.